Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make sure your website's copyright year is always up to date. It's about that time of year where, we're a month into the new year and people are starting to realize, oh geez, I haven't changed the date on my website yet. So there's a little fix that we use to make sure that your site's always up to date for the copyright information. So if you're wondering what I'm talking about this little bit that goes in the bottom. This actually, we do it a little bit differently, and I'll show you why. So first of all, I'm going to come up to the Infinity Builder. I'm not clicking on it. I'm going to go down to Footer. And then this will be editable. So I'm just going to click on this box, and I'm going to add dash, and then open bracket, FL underscore year, and close bracket. So what this is going to do, let me hit save. It's going to put the current year. And so next year, it's going to say 2022. And the reason we do 2018 to 2021 is because we have content on our website that was actually on the website in 2018. And we have content that we're just now adding to the website, like this video, in 2021. So our copyright spans from 2018 to 2021. Some people will tell you, and I'm not a lawyer, so maybe they know better than I do, that you only put the most current year. My problem with that is that if I'm just going to say 2021, but then I wrote an article 3 years ago, shouldn't I hold the copyright for 3 years ago? Shouldn't that be the date? So that's why we do it that way. Let's see, just going to hit done and publish. So if your website does not have, let's actually look. Okay, so there it is. It's updated. If your website doesn't have this functionality where when you hover over Infinity Builder, where it gives you header and footer options, then that just means that you have a little bit older website. So here's how you would do that for an older site, one that doesn't have that option. See right here. Okay, so I need to change this. This is way old. So let's go to customize. Now you can get to customize either right up here or in the back end under the appearance section. But you go to customize and then hover down to footer, then footer layout. And so this information right here is what's going right here. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm just going to do dash bracket FL underscore year and close bracket. I'm going to hit publish. You can see it updated right there, but I haven't re-rendered the page, so I'm going to close that. It will reload the page, and I'll scroll down, and it'll say 2017 to 2021. So that is how you very quickly and easily update the copyright section on your website so that it's always up to date and you never have to worry about it ever again. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, leave a comment in the comment section, or send us an email to support@infini.systems.